another day with you.
Don't say that, but I'm just begging you, say.
Oh, are you done?
Are
you done?
Stella,
do you want to piss me off?
About what?
God. Listen. I gave you this work because I really wanted to close this house. I don't want to stay here. I get bored. I'm a person to come here and to hold. And then you came. That you wanted to stay. I can't employ any house help. So if you feel like, oh, you can't do anything, you're telling me.
No, I'm not.
No. You're telling me if you're a robot or you're not a robot.
No,
you're not a robot.
I'm not a robot. I'm a human being.
Ow, I know. That is why you can't stay in my house if you don't think you can do this work. Listen, I'm not going to employ any human being here. I'm not employing anyone in this house. So if you feel like you're tired of this house, you feel like you're tired of the work, the domestic work you're doing.
No, I'm not tired.
What is even this work about?
Listen,
like,
I do nothing, but I'm talking about all safety here. What's my man right now? I'm not there. Somebody can just put me inside here. So why don't we so what you say? You see,
you get mine though, this man.
No, but I get my
we should do what? Please stop calling me babes. I'm not your love. And then listen to me. And you show it to me saying, I am not your ex. How do you show it to me? Me now because say, when I know who are you talking to? The way you are gallivanting around me in this house, asking your necessary shut up! Asking your necessary questions. Say, one a minute, who is this? Who is that? A Shuben or Shano? A Mogben or Ukrano? The hell? Who does that? Now let this sound as a warning to you. See, you are my ex.
And I'm living in my ex's house.
You're living in your boss's house. It's Manisha will see when you say, your boss now then they say, your ex. Do I make myself clear? Yes. Do I make myself clear? Yes, I'm your madam, Oga, boss. So please, this ex shading around this whole house. Should put an end to it. Put an end to it because I'm not your ex.
So, the buying night trash. Conversation of the buying night trash, right?
If you are tired of working in this house, yeah, fine boy. Go get some.
I'm not tired. My ex.
One more my ex. If you know that me was in your call imagining don't try it.
I know what's unfortunate.
Just imagine. You're not a robot. I'm a robot, so I should work for you.
Oh.
Okay, you want a house help? Okay.
No. I'm not saying.
No. You really need a house help in this house. You want a hand. You want a helping hand. You want a helping hand.
Where is the other piece?
Hey.
I can't remember I bought this for you on your birthday. Do you remember? But you're still wearing it.
I'm sorry. This is a new piece.
No.
Get used to it. Stop that criminal, get out! You want a helping hand? This boy, you want a helping hand? Can't you even afford it?
Sometimes you do miss me, but
I missed your head.
Do you remember we playing this kind of game?
I bet the pound. If you have. Stomach. You say you can say differences about to her and I've realized that I've thought about it. Now me say, you're still the man. Me then grandpa. The
way he talks makes me remember the first time I met you. Wow.
Moving on. As I was saying, the way now I make us up on one, now me say, Sisi ade, only be man. Now me say, I want to so much, and we can take care of the house. As I was walking in, I realized the water bill is shake. Don't know. Aba, water and lights in Aba. Since I saw my baby of your head, maybe baby be shown some nature. You pay. So I want to tell you, it's a bill number, and you will have to pay.
No, my dear, you and I really know, say I'm not working and I'm living here, and even say light being water be about even in some way we not make us say at least me you my the boy me you man you Or the Opa we go home with their mommy and when so I'm gonna pay. And point of correction, it's not like say I'm claiming bossy here. I was just making a suggestion because the last time I buy and I meeting begin, you were just complaining and I got nothing just to do until I don't remember so meeting ye and meaning we can pay over to me times 10. How much? Because right now I'm
entirely what I'm doing like go asking the president daughter.
No, me shall see a purge my I'll just pay you because you know since I'm concerned but you know we'll just pay you. I promise.
Do you know you're not?
What?
Of course. Because you can't pay bills. Work in this house. It's a huge burden for me to continue with in this house with you. What do you want to do with your life right now? In this house? I should worship you.
I'm not saying you
I should worship you, give you food, give you water, give you shelter. Be under my roof. And on top of that, I should pay bills.
I see.
You must be joking.
No. See me here. You know I don't like watching TV. I'll always just be in my room.
What has TV got to do with this?
And I only use fine. Okay, 1 point to say.
So you want to pay your part?
No, I'm just asking.
You want to pay 1 point?
No, 1 point. No, I'm just using fun.
50 Ghana.
50 Ghana. Okay, by Friday I'll just get you the 50 Ghana.
Are you mad? You're getting me 50 Ghana to pay your 1 point. Okay. Oh.
Is there anything okay?
My sister, water bill number. And it is not 50 Ghana.
But you just said...
you said 1 point, meaning your point in your room because you're using fan.
I don't use the air conditioner.
So you can't... Jesus Christ.
It sounds funny, but it's not cool.
You know, the whole you... Just try. You know, why are they too?
Are
you not ashamed of yourself?
Ashamed?
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Say, oh, my catch me, see. Say, you want to pay how much?
50 Ghana.
50 Ghana. God, that 50 Ghana kill you there.
Look at your eyes.
God will punish you for saying that.
Your eyes and lips. Ah. That's the right. I see. Okay, so right now, what do you want me to do? Back to our conversation.
Pay the bills. Yeah. You're the man, right? You were shouting.
I'm not talking about me.
Okay.
Man. No, okay. Well, let me ask you this. Right now, we're gonna be in the room. Right now, now AC, maybe hand to us. Who are you going to call?
Let it haunt me. In fact, let it kill me. Mind your business. Mind your business in this house. I don't know what she
It's normal.
I know I said I don't like it.
You don't like it?
You disgust me.
Previously, you used to like it.
Say me not now the previous. We are in present tense. And I'm your boss. Money down.
I'm falling. Anytime I lay my eyes on you. I'm falling. Anytime I lay my eyes on you. What you be looking for? Absolutely nothing. Ooh. I miss the past between us. Ooh. Did you remember all these kind of things I used to?
What happened with that? What? If you can't pay, get to work.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Actually, landlady, no, only home. No, please. You don't do this here because I don't know you and I don't know you. And how can you just tell me so you want to walk inside?
Let me banana. Let me see it, but I'm a quine. No, I had dreams. I said, changing up and this is a person.
What's that? Yes, yeah, I threw good one me who came with Papa.
No, they are no cremum, send it. Only me, don't mind. Let me assign pictures that it can show me videos. Being a penny, no.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's it. I feel what's it? Oh, what the come out of that? Oh, that's nice. No. It's my duty just to take your life. You papa ne from here with papa. I see that Jesus.
Heaven I've been longing for. With you, my heart will be home. Tell me that this is all just a dream. 'Cause I would love to wake up by your side every morning. Close your eyes, oh baby, make a wish. I'll be your night and shining out.
We don't know what.
Na me ba no we no kra na ni ni ya me kase o wan.
Partly or baby.
Oni ho.
Bachon.
Na. Ya se mu ya so kra bro.
Yeah. Because per conversation on Zanka and you can say allow my about with the phone or the phone check my pictures and on any and say oh from the thing because you say when if you say oh then oh thanks for the compliments. Yeah.
Okay. If you made no. Na on pay you and be my
oh. Come on, me and me be of you. Me made me a houseboy, me get mommy or whatever in this house.
Wow.
Why not?
1 in a million.
Wow, no get to no sawa.
But why?
Eh. Oh yeah, dear.
Thank you.
Abrante, come on. What is say? You must say now, baby.
Oh, you know, sometimes you know, yes, it's you my phone page you my part. So me can say they me you my phone, but sanity.
I am mama say Abrante to say what dear. Also be gate man, baby gate. Wow, was I no aduane ma baba ni di.
Me patch me na no bounce ya tiny am me na me be.
Na ye we nyina.
Patch why?
Ah. And you're so good, ma.
Oh, thank you.
And it's so bad.
Thank you.
I'm sure.
I'm sure.
Okay, anyway. I never know.
Patch on my call. Guest room on. One more about yeah. Okay. No, don't worry. Anyone say bad manners. Once I buy no commodity, na case me be some. Na me the brand. Oh. Patch on so your champagne, your so below your beer or whatever. It's so below.
My favorite.
Cappuccino cocktail so. Then mommy come back and after them my mom so when mother and then batch up me the back up me that was celebrate
Come on, when it's where house boys are no journey.
Ever fear. Edian go.
Esi.
No ho fedudu.
Esi won, e ho ni ho.
Na ni ho nyem hu se me ben. Na Abrante go fa ni firi hia.
Mami,
kama say. Edian go an nti woni adwuma ya. Won na ba be your house help us I go gate. Ah. Enye de yen twen na. Really.
Hey, la ma come in casa sono buona fa un.
Nasce. Vamos se uni o ma kwa ni nka.
Hey, wa ha mi sa.
Wa ha mi sa.
Ha. We the surprise visit for me cry dreaming.
Wa ha mi sa che se o ma mi nya hwene kura na hwene ya hwene anya mframa.
Tini fata wo me bo bi ansa.
Ja. Se lo ye. Eh, anana ma na ka se sa. Eh, ni umba le diani ko di o na bi ha mo ba ha me nka yi ba me no.
Mami, on said last time, ebe ma kwa mi ka so on send mi ska wan send you. Mami ya no ka sa.
O ma ni ska for free. I can't discount this one or the deal.
Is it me ice cream?
Wait, back to factory settings. Mommy, how about? Hey, wait, oh, me nyanya some number. Surprise me.
Fear. When you got what you change, you know, mamma, make one of my
My area, won't you send us on? See, oh, then, dear, go on. May I join a cover and I say, maybe in the dust that come in and see. Catch my so good. I'm a catch a cool. You can put us around and tell me around my bread. Mammy, eh?
Perfume,
then I'll me.
Ah, never to you.
but the perfume now gas at Thomas.
That's true. Yeah,
Mammy, I'll say your idea. Imagine what they want to know. Say your idea.
Oh, mommy, perfume now. I'm back home. What I didn't give this.
They come use cacra.
Ah, sister, I can make penitentiary.
And she boxed in the whole box and the whole way. Mammy, I'm not going to be ready.
Ah, you buy a brandy.
A mammoshi.
I'm one I say, or shaha.
Into a mamma, be an indeed.
Be say with you.
It's down on the way. Stand up!
I saw
Stand up!
Oh, Mom, I'm sorry, I can't carry me now.
I can't cry. Time and I'm on mobile. What time were they here in this house? What? Hey! 1 hour, stand up. What should I say here about them? You're coming here with your own.
Oh, sister.
Hey! What is your use in this house? Eh? Why are you always disgracing me? Now that my Cassandra, you'll be talking back at me. Now you go inside there, fix something quick.
I'm not going to maybe someone must pay a mutual name cracker.
And then 1 freaking hour, mutual name cracker. Oh, yeah, my refugee fan.
No.
You didn't tell me.
Someone's having a mutual.
Just a make Cassa. Stand no Cassa.
Some meeting, or Cassa meeting, Cassa.
Stand get inside, fix the food. I'm giving you 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, you leave my house. Simple for fair. You know, we're around now, compared to them. Oh, Toji, Jim production. Jay, come back to one of our gate and invite him. And I'm a Toji production. Wait, just a piano. Oh, give me a piece of mind. Ah, we can't do boom. Can the pan?
The pie again.
I mean, what would they just say? Problems don't come at my mafia. I can't even breathe in my own house. Eh?
Relax.
Relax, if you
Relax.
I mean, penny pass out. Mama, let's meet tonight.
Me, mommy. Me, I'm cramping. Me body fresh air. I want to.
And good job from you. So there's any way.
Swimming pool down, sister.
See you.
There's a special kind of love that brings smiles on your face, bringing tears of joy.
Are you going to show me as well?
No, please. May I know your name?
I'm Stana.
Stana. Oh, okay. Efia Pupia.
I know.
How come?
She once told me about you.
Oh, that's
the lovely
really
girl. And indeed, you look lovely, eh?
Oh, please. I'm here to say sorry for what my sister did earlier. Please forgive her. I don't even know what's wrong with her for her to treat you that way. It's confusing.
Never mind. I'm used to it. So I'm cool.
You're used to?
Yeah.
Wait. Don't tell me this is how she has been treating you in this house. Oh my God. Please.
Don't worry.
Can we present this award? A teen Nama, such a nice guy like you. Like?
Yeah.
How come?
I'm a hustler, you know. I came here just to hustle and buzzer, but it's quite unfortunate that things don't go on for me. So,
Esi.
Mommy.
Ha, suba beno no. Esi suba beno no. Ah?
Why Miss Bambi?
Superbe no so na disa. Esi. So say na me kan ni anka me ya na me tena me so. Wo se ma me de opa bro. Adi tena so yesa.
Na maye.
Ah, adi tena so abrante ni anim na wo tia ni sa. Ah?
Mami, wait. You biasa.
Onyo biasa. Wo betimi aboni pa. Wo tu betimi awo no. Ah? Na wa jira me nima sa ka chem se onyo biasa esi. Me ka wo ya. Ade a wo ye. Wa hwe kra ma me sama. Ni kra ba ho. Nyesa me ka wo ya wo. Wo ma me ti ase wan titi se. Sebi.
To make your lips so nice, this can only be true love. And I love you today more than I did yesterday.